I'll guide you through using a Google Play gift card without losing your balance to region locks or getting stuck at the "We need more info" error screen. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open the Google Play Store app and tap your profile icon in the top right. Select Payments and Subscriptions and then tap Redeem Code. Type in your 16-digit gift card code carefully or use the Scan Gift Card feature to automatically capture the numbers using your phone's camera. Confirm that the email address shown is the correct account you want the funds added to, as Google Play balances cannot be transferred between accounts once redeemed. If you are an iPhone or iPad user, go to play.google.com/redeem on a web browser. Ensure you are physically located in the same country where the card was purchased to avoid the regional lock, which prevents cards from being used abroad. Avoid using a VPN during the redemption process, as this often triggers the "We need more info" security flag and can lead to a permanent account suspension. Select Google Play Balance as your primary payment method when checking out in the YouTube app to pay for YouTube Premium or channel memberships. Navigate to payment methods under your account settings at any time to check your updated total and verify that your gift card funds were added successfully. Be sure to keep your physical receipt or original gift card email handy, as Google support will require a photo of it if your code is flagged for a manual security review. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.